Hey guys, my name's Dave. Welcome to Public Utilities. We're going to be talking about all the things I have inside my pockets on a day-to-day basis. It's a segment I like to call Dave's Everyday Carry. And the first thing we're going to be talking about are these thumbtacks. I got them from my friend Gary. This is my Fitbit pedometer. It counts the amount of steps I take every day because I really like to be healthy. I've taken 1,000 steps today. It's 1/10 of my goal. It's only 10 o'clock at night. This is my horseshoe. I don't have a horse, but I like to keep it on me for luck. This is, and it's really useful for me to work out what I owe my friends. This is a silly pencil that I found near a bunch of guys. I like to carry this with me in case I need to repair my teeth on the run for when I'm a fugitive. Sometimes I wish that I actually became a fireman, but I'm too dangerous. Something that I'm really excited about, it's my Dymo Letra 109 XR label maker. And I think that too often in society, we put negative labels on people and things. So I'm gonna print a really positive label and I'm gonna make it say, Dave is a good guy. I think it's done. This is my industrial grade metal detector, and I like to take it to the beach where I detect if people like me. This is Leopold's friend's specimen. I don't know her that well. I think it came from her buttocks. This is my Russian pin that I got from Kmart, and it was only about $3.95. I really like to feel like I'm a dirty red. It makes me feel like I'm not alone.